Hey, this is a very simple video tutorial to find competitors of the leads that you have scraped. So let's say you have a list of companies and you want to find very close competitors of those leads and prospects, then this video is for you. I'm going to do a quick search tutorial in Persona to help you do this in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. So what you want is two things actually, company name and company domain. So I have already scraped a list of 100 different companies and I want to find their closest competitors. So there are two steps to do it on Persona. First, we want to create a column named one line description. So basically, it is an enrichment where we are asking the Persona company AI agent. So if you don't know how to use it, just click here Persona company AI agent and you can click there. And the prompt that you want is this one. So again, you're going to use the company domain in this case as an input. And this is the question: what does the company do? Answer the question in less than 10 words and use simple and plain English to answer the question. So let's say, for example, if the company helps video editors add captions, then the answer to the question should be help video editors make their videos more engaging, right? This is a very simple one. I've given an example so AI knows better how to return the answer in a way that I want it to be. And we can run it for the first however many columns you want. Let's say 10 rows, sorry, for that first 10 rows. I've already run it, so let me save you some time. And this is like how it looks like. So this is submagic.com. If you click on this, you'll be able to see this create viral shots in seconds with AI. So basically, it's the simplest video creation platform, helps creators and business make content faster, right? If you look at this, automatically transcribes videos and adds animated subtitles. So that's pretty close to what the company actually does. So I've done this for all the other companies as well. There's another one, automates B-roll creation for video marketing. Type share is helps writers write faster and publish more effectively. Okay, so why we need this is because we need this as an input for the next column that we are creating. So the next column is simply this one, top three competitors. Again, you're going to use the company AI agent here, Persona company AI agent. You can use company AI agent 2.0 as well as 3.0 for better results. Right now in this video, I'm just going to use the normal one. And yeah, top three competitors is going to be the same basically, but here we are going to use company name as an input and we're going to ask it a question: what are the top three competitors of this company? Give me three direct competitors by doing a quick Google search. In answer only give me the names of the three competitors in comma separated values, nothing else. So this is being me being really specific with this, and you can run it for the first 10 rows. Yeah. So if you do a quick Google search about some magic competitors, you will find these ones. So one is Opus Clip, Type Studio, and Auto Caption. Pretty close competitors, and they are not really that big, or they're not even that small. They're like perfectly parallel to the size of the company that we have scraped, right? 8 base, Zendesk support, Zoho Desk, Salesforce. Sometimes what happens is they'll give you a list of companies that are kind of too big or too small related to the relative to the company name that you have scraped. So let's say database is a small company, actually small SaaS, but sometimes it will give you these large competitors, Zendesk, Zoho, Salesforce. So you can try to rerun it, and you can also specify here in the prompt itself if you want give me three direct competitors by doing a quick Google search of the same size of this company name. So that will give me more specific. You can do it anyhow you want. For type frames, OpenAI, Sora competitors, Cool, Heichen, those are like similar size companies. So yeah, that was everything. In the video description of this video, you'll find the share link so that you can import this workflow in your Persona AI account. And I've also added the prompts and how this workflow works entirely in your context if you want to use it. So yeah, that was it for this tutorial.